Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 15 Probability. Today we are going to study from exercise 15.1 question 1. Complete the following statements. This is a fill in the blanks. So to do this question properly, you need to refer to introduction 1. So let's see. First question, probability of an event, that is E, plus probability of the event not E is equal to dash. This in the introductory part we have already studied. Here, probability of the event plus probability of not having the event is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1. If you want to understand in detail, probability of an event, for example, there is a coin is there. There is a coin and you have the possibility of having a head and tail. Now, probability of the head will be 1 upon 2. And probability of not having the head also 1 upon 2. So, if you calculate 1 plus 1, 2, and then denominator is the same. So, if you cancel, you will get 1. So, either this way you can understand, or in the introductory part, I have explained to you probability of an event. If any event is taking place, there is a chance. So, 1 plus, if not taking the event, then 0. So, 1 plus 0 also will be equal to 1. So, either this way you understand or this way you understand. If probable head to come, there is a chances are there 50% of chance for head to come, and there is a 50% of chance for not head to come. So, then when we calculate also we get 1. Therefore, probability of an event plus probability of not having the event will be equal to 1. Now, the second question, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. Such an event is called dash. This also in the introductory part I have explained to you. Probability of an event that cannot happen. So, I explained to you here. Probability of an event that cannot happen. I said a child flying like a bird. It is an impossible event. It cannot happen. So, that is 0 and it is called impossible event. So, the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such an event is called impossible. Impossible event. Now, the third question, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is dash. Such an event is called dash. So, here again, certain to happen. Probability of an event sure to happen. Certain means sure to happen. The sun rises in the morning. It is sure to happen. So, those type of event is called sure event. It happens. So, there is all the chances are there. So, it is sure to happen. So, it is 1. Probability of the event is 1 and it is called sure event. So, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1. Such an event is called sure event. Now, the fourth one, the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is dash. Here also we can take the example of a coin. The sum of the probabilities of the elementary events of an experiment, sum of it. For example, if we have a coin, then you have head and tail. So, the event 1 to happen, let us take event 1 is head will happen, and in event 2, let's take tail takes place. So, we have to sum it up. So, event 1 we said 1 upon 2, there is a chance because total outcome is 2, favorable outcome is 1. For head to happen 1 upon 2. For tail to happen also 1 upon 2. So, 1 plus 1, 2 and denominator 2. So if you cancel 1 we get. So the sum of the elementary event is equal to 1. Now the probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. This also I have explained to you here. Probability of an event is greater than 0 or equal to 0, less than 1 and equal to 1. So greater than 0, less than 1. So the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.